Today, I'm going to show you how you can build your very own habit tracking app. To build it, we're going to be using Base44. I've tested a lot of different vibe coding tools, and Base44 by far performs the best. If you want to follow along, the link for it is in the description. All right, so the first thing before we start building anything is we need to go to Claude and we need to ask it for a set of features that we want to have in our habit tracking app. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask Claude, hey, I'm looking to build a habit tracking app to help me track my habits in the year 2026. I'm going to be using Base44 to build the app. Please suggest me the features I would need to have in my app. I want the app to look minimalistic without any bells or whistles, just the most straightforward things. I want to be able to add new habits. I want to be able to check what's my streak, how long I've been keeping up the habit for. I would also like to get reminders at specific times of when I should perform my habit daily or weekly, etc. So these are just some of the features that came to my head on the spot. If you have other ones, just dictate it to Claude and it will be able to generate this. And one last thing that I forgot to add here is to ask it to create me the actual prompts. Based on this information, please give me a clear prompt for Base44. And that's it. Now you just send it to Claude and wait for your prompts. All right, let's copy this, go to Base, paste it, and send it. And as you can see here on the left, Base44 is now writing the actual code of our app. What used to take before a lot of people and a lot of time and tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars now is literally done automatically with AI with simple language commands. Is that incredible? Absolutely. So as you can see, these are the features that we have requested. Home screen with today's habits and one tap checkoff. Habit management, add, edit, delete with name, frequency, reminder time. Habit detail view with streak count, days since started and dot grid calendar, and a scheduled reminder notifications via backend function. The design, ultra minimal, lots of white space, black text, one accent color, a warm coral, clean sans serif typography. So I'm excited. Let's see what Base44 builds. All right, our custom app is built. So you can see that it is mobile first. And if you want, you can click here in the top right corner and switch it to mobile. And you can see that this is how it's gonna look like on your mobile device. If you click right here, you can see these are the pages that it has created. And these are the 3 different pages that we have. So we have today at a glance, it's Wednesday, April 1st. And these are the 4 habits that it's suggested that we do, which are pretty good habits. You can then add another habit that you would like to do. So for example, cold swim, you want to do it daily and you want to get a reminder at 8 o'clock in the morning. And then you just click create habit. Now, let's say, for example, that you would like to edit this color right here. So you can just simply ask it, please change the accent warm coral color to a light green color. Let's send the prompt. And while it's changing that, let's take a look at the habits. So you can see here that these are our habits that we have. And if we click on the meditate, you can see here that it will show us our streak, our total, and how many days it has gone since we started meditating. Our prompt for the color change has been executed. So if we go back, we can see that now it's a light green habit. Now, this is fully customizable, so you can change anything you want. You can also take this off. So for example, I'm done with my cold swim and that's it. 1 out of 5 completed. Now, let's say that you would like this to disappear once you tick it off. So let's say I would like the habit to disappear from the today page once I tick it off. Let's see what it does. I very much like the design that it went for. It's super minimalistic and yeah, it looks very clean to me. Habits now disappear from today's list when ticked off. So if I click meditate, it's gone. Now, if you have any particular features or anything that you would like to add or change, you can just go ahead and simply talk to Base44 in this chat and just give it instructions. Now, for me, for example, if I'm out of ideas or if I want to brainstorm and figure out, okay, how can I really make this app better inside of Base, you can click this discuss button right here. And what this will do is it will use a fraction of the credits you have and then you can ask it to discuss with you what are some of the features or ideas, for example, how you can improve your habit tracker. So for example, can you suggest me some ideas for how I can improve my habit tracker? All right, so it gave us pretty good suggestions. You can see that we can add some gamification to it, or we can add some customization and flexibility, deeper insights and analytics, advanced reminders, and social accountability. So let's say, for example, that I would like to change the way I see the progress of my habits, right? So let's see that I don't really like how this one looks here. I have to click on it in some weird grid system. So I just want to have like a visual progress bar with like 7 days at a time, you know? So I see, okay, I'll have a week and then each day I tick it off. I would like to adjust the habits progress visualization. I don't want to click into each habit. Instead, I want to see a visual representation of each habits on a weekly basis. So Monday starts off with the habit fully empty. And then as I progress through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I tick it off, it fills in those 1 out of 7 green bars. So by the time I get to Saturday, I'll have 6 out of 7 green bars on this progress bar. Something like this. Let's see how well it understands me. All right, so I did a mistake. You can see here that I'm still in discuss mode and I send this prompt to do the actual change. And what it will tell me now is it will just basically interact with me. And in order for me to execute this, I need to click on discuss to get out of the mode. And now I will tell it, now actually execute my command, please. And now it will actually do it. All right, so it almost understood me. Maybe I wasn't exactly super clear, but you can see right here that it now showed that I ticked off, cold swim and meditate on Wednesday, but it showed me that I didn't do it for Tuesday and Monday. All right, so I think what happened here is because I'm building this on a Wednesday and I haven't actually ticked off it for Tuesday and for Monday, it hasn't really added those green progress bars. So if I would have started here, they would have been all green and filled in. So it looks okay. If you're one of those people who wants to go in and actually toggle some of the things and change them manually, you can click this edit button right here, and that will show you essentially everything that you can change. So you can edit this element, you can change the text style, color, corners, etc. Another thing, if you click on dashboard in the top here, this is the backend of your app. So here first you have the overview, right? So you can make your app public or private. For example, if you only want to keep it to yourself, you make it private. And then you can just copy the link, send it to yourself, and then you'll be able to access it through your phone. In order to do that, you also want to click on publish in the top right corner and publish your app. That's it. Your app is published and is live. So you simply copy this link, and then you type that link on your mobile phone. And as you can see, this is my app right here. You can also add users here. So if you want to invite someone to help you with this app, you can do it here. Now for this data part right here, this is useful if you're going to be building, for example, a quiz funnel. Now for this data part right here, right now we have habit completion. And as you can see that it's tracking when I completed which habit. But what I found this to be useful, this data part, if I have a funnel and I'm collecting customers' information, all of the data that they input in my funnel is going to be stored here, such as their name, their email address, etc. If you're going to be publishing your app for the world to see and you want to sell it or make money off of it, you have the analytics tab here, which will show you your page traffic, where the traffic is coming from, etc. You can also connect a custom domain to your app. So this is the domain that comes by default. If you want to buy another domain, you can just simply click buy another domain right here. And then Base44 uses Ionos to find a domain. So you simply search a domain here, buy it through the system. It's all very integrated. Just click buy and that will be integrated. So you'll have your own custom domain. Alternatively, if you have an existing domain, simply click connect existing domain. Now for integrations, you can connect your app to any of the very popular apps such as TikTok, Notion, Slack, Google Drive, Stripe, whatever you need. So let's say, for example, that I want my app to send me a message on Slack if I didn't check off my habit for that day. So let's find Slackbot. Let's click use. And as you can see, these are very smart things and it gives me these example prompts. Send morning reminders for incomplete rituals. So it already knew what I want. So I'm going to click this. It pasted that prompt into our builder. and now we're just gonna send it. By the way, if you wanna get notifications for when Slack completes your job, just simply click on Enable Notifications. All right, so now we're getting into the connectors information. It's asking us, how would you like to connect Slack bot? Shared, I'll connect my account for all users. App user, each user connects their own Slack. Since I'm building this tool just for myself, I'll click shared, and then I'll click next. Which Slack channel should the reminders be sent to? I'll just click direct message to each user. What time should the morning reminder be sent? Let's say by 9 a.m. Now, the first thing it needs to establish the connection to my Slack bot. So I'm gonna click connect to Slack bot. And as you can see, I'm on the free version of Slack, so I can only install 10 apps. Anyway, I hope you get the point of how to build a habit tracker with Base44. Again, if you found this video helpful and you're like, wow, this is amazing, I want to try it out, make sure to use my link in the description to sign up to Base44. I'm super curious what you're going to build. If you have any questions, make sure to also leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, happy building, and I'll see you soon.